Good evening everyone. We are here to give you a presentation on our topics presentation skills. The group comprises of Pingali Satish, Manshu Gautam, Sumer Singh and I, Anant Mishra. Presentation is a live mode of sharing information with a selected group of people. It is a form of oral communication in which a person shares factual information with a particular audience. Nature of oral presentation. A presentation must be purposeful and goal-oriented and communicates a message to an audience in a way that it brings about a desired change in their understandings. The presentation must be purposeful, interactive, formal and audience-oriented.
Guys, now I am going to continue with my friend left. A good presentation can do wonders for a person. So everybody must know the basic elements of an effective presentation, which are 4 P's: plan, prepare and practice and rehearse. So now I am going to tell you about first P, that is planning presentation. A presentation must be formal, structured and systematic. To an audience involves conveying a lot of information in a limited time. So it should therefore be planned well in advance so that the material is delivered effectively. Now this planning a presentation has 4 important steps. They are defining the purpose. So whenever we are going to make a presentation, we should know what is the purpose of this presentation. Okay, and now analyzing the second step is analyzing the audience. So Lenny Leskoski is an international speaker and also expert in presentation skills. He termed the word audience as an acronym, which is A for audience, U for understanding, D for demographics, I for interest, and E for environment, N for needs, C for customized, and E for expectations. Now the third step, which is analyzing the occasion, like who are the other speakers, what's the duration of your presentation, and what is the venue, where is the venue. Okay, now the fourth step is choose a suitable title. A title has to be chosen for the presentation. The title gives the audience the first glimpse of impression and the presentation, so they will get an impression.
The second piece, preparing the presentation. Once the presentation has been planned, it's time to begin preparing for it. Preparing well is the key to success. Preparing for the presentation involves developing the central idea and the main points, gathering relevant supporting material and planning visual aids. Then comes organizing the presentation. Good organization is essential for effective presentation. Just remember the 3 T's. Tell audience what you are going to tell. Tell them what you have told. It includes the introduction, the body and the conclusion. The third P is rehearsing the presentation. Rehearsing the presentation in a proper and planned way include plan the rehearsal, rehearse before a live audience, timing during rehearsal, recreate the presentation environment. Then comes improving the delivery. Once the presentation has been planned, prepared, organized and rehearsed properly and systematically, it can be delivered. What is important is said in a presentation, but how it is said is more important. There are 3 delivery methods: the memorizing method, reading method and finally the outlining method.
Everyone, I am Manshu Gautam. Now the 4th P, which is performing the presentation, which includes handling stage fright. Everyone who has faced an audience and has made speech or a presentation must have stage fright. Most difficult thing need to be handled during the presentation is one's first stage fright. The following strategies can be used to control and reduce stage fright. Concentrate on the 3 B's: planning, preparation and the practice. For making an oral presentation, start with confidence, be organized, stay relaxed, pay attention on a body language, use appropriate visual effects.
The world is composed of people who have something to say and can't. The other half have nothing to say and they keep saying it. The famous phrase has been said in accordance for presentation. I hope this presentation of us brings about a change in your presentation skills and hope you make the most out of it. Thank you.